Unong ay ktiyan ka sorkar uba polling do mentagas ngi uloong baka sorkar kala deprai ben Pynkynriah ay Nongdie Madan menta ubanay balada ka don ka jing penjalan ya kata tep ea. Hagaju ka por ula Kyntait ya ka Jingkam Nongdie Madan ba Kyntait ea ka jing temu ka sorkar ben Pynkynriah bad uloong baka jingilang lor ka ni kala longbun sien haki por ki balalet hakba ki don ru nong mikmat na Nongdie Madan bad ka Jingkam ka jongki ba Kyntait ea ka long ka bomla ban pediang. Uba pol uloong bala donru ka komiti ka bakantop ikinong mikmat na Nongdie Madan Henry ka bapan singulingo ka long bakiong bakam judan ka jingilang. Uloong ru bakatanat jungo kai ka kwa ban penkalador ya ka Khyndai lat ban lat na Nongdie Madan bakan long ka jaka ban yai ban yeng ban pet kai kinongwa jungo kai Henry ki jingte banya laban yo na katanat penroi sor bat ka Shillong Municipal Board. La ruban kdo bahanen kasngi Nongdie Madan kila panlong ya ka jinglet tursh ka office ka Shillong Municipal Board ban persya ya ka jingtmu ka sorkar ban Pynkynriah no na Khyndai lat.
See, you will recall that a number of meetings have been held at the instance of the Deputy CM in charge Urban Affairs, and a committee was also constituted last year, which also comprises of representatives from the vendors associations. Now it's surprising to say that they were not consulted, because those meetings were all recorded, and they took more than a year, in fact, to complete the entire exercise. So it is baseless to say that they were not consulted. However, I would suggest that you also speak to the Deputy CM in charge of Urban Affairs, because the matter is entirely with Urban Affairs, and the tourism department only wanted to give an uplift, a facelift rather, to the Khyndai stretch by making it pedestrian free, tourist friendly, and have a busking zone in order for us to celebrate the fact that Shillong has seen the best possible days in terms of the music scene, and to for the rest of the world to see that. See, the process of identification was done by the Shillong Municipal Board. It was a very transparent process, and the CEO and other officials like Madan were all involved in those negotiations and discussions. But as I said, you can get the details from Urban Affairs Department, from the Minister in charge, as well as the CEO of the SIB. I don't know who you spoke to, but at the official meetings, both the CEO and Madan were present in those meetings. The latest was 2 weeks back at the chamber of the Deputy CM in charge of Urban Affairs. I am not aware of any extension, because the deadline was indicated to us at the meeting by the Commissioner and Secretary of Urban Affairs, Dr. Vijay. I think we have to meet, let Deputy CM convene, and we take stock of the situation after tomorrow. Probably sometime next week, we should be in a position to sit for a review of how things have shaped up since the last meeting.